I'm head nurse of this department. This
I didn't
evening
say my
I'm
name right, so you have to check with me. So always you have to start with good evening,
okay.
self-introduction, and how do you do, and how could I address you, or could you confirm your name? Once I say my name only, you have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good evening. I'm Tejasvi. I'm head nurse of this department. This evening I'm going to look after you. How may I help you? How do you do? Could you confirm your name?
A very good evening, Nurse Tejasvi. Good to know that you are going to attend me. My name is Sara. I'm 19 years old. I'm a college student. But one thing I am very much upset about this knee fracture. Though it is a minor knee fracture, I'm very much panicked. What could happen to me, and will it spoil my total, college life? And moreover, my exam is going to take place next month. So, is it possible for me to appear for my exam? And will I be all right? How long, nurse, will it take for me to get up and walk normally? If you don't mind, could you please brief outline about my situation and do's and don'ts?
Good to know that you're a college going student, Sara, and you are concerned about your exam. So here you are having a minor knee fracture. There are various types of fractures, but you are having mainly the fracture between your femur and tibia, which is having which is a more flexion of the knees is required. So here the flexion of the knees you can be reduced. And for this, you require, for the recovery of this situation, require 2 to 3 weeks. But as the treatment is going, as the treatment is pursuing or it's going on, you will be recovered soon. And you will be able to go for your exam or able to attend your exam.
Yeah, thank you,
Uh,
Naz, for your optimistic view of dealing with my situation. But my concern is, though it is a minor knee fracture, I really miss my college life and my friends. And moreover, is there any chance from the hospital side to arrange for visitors? My friends could come. As you told that another 3, 4 days I should be in the hospital. I feel lonely and depressed. So if my friends come, I could prepare for my exam. So what do you say on that? Is there any possibility from your side?
Very well, if you want to interact with your friends, so as per the hospital policy, only one person is allowed to visit to the patient. Your friends can come, but there are the restrictions. One by as per the availability of the visit card, they can visit you and you can interact with them and you can
Yes,
do
yes,
your
yes.
study.
Here again, Tejasvi, here again, there is
Yes.
no hard and fast rule has been given in the card. Okay, so
Okay.
when such kind of hard and fast rules are not there, you can be optimistic, you can be lenient, and you have to
Okay.
encourage a person who wants to study, and she's told that she is lonely and depressed. So it is your
Okay.
responsibility to make her comfortable. Okay, so for that,
Okay.
immediately you have to, rather saying all these things, just put it in a nutshell. You say that, well, Sarah, I really appreciate your enthusiasm, though you are unwell and you don't want to waste your time and you want to utilize it to prepare for your exam. Definitely, according to our hospital policies, there are certain protocols to be followed. Yes, I could make a special recommendation to you, checking with the senior doctors. I would arrange for your friends to visit. As you told, you feel lonely and depressed. So I think if you concentrate in your studies and engage with your friends, that could be a great relief. Definitely, I do it. Don't panic on that. This is how you have to say. Okay, but you have to be careful when you are with your friends. But don't forget that you have this knee fracture. Flexion of the knee you have to avoid, and you have to be careful. So that you have to keep in mind. So that one caution you have to give. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So after this, so I told these points you have to stick, and further to that, I would be saying that. Well, now, my last question to you is, after discharge, what kind of diet do I need to follow? Is there any particular diet I have to change because of this knee fracture? Any calcium-rich food do I need to eat? And what is the exercise I could start with to get the stability? Can you please brief it out?
Yes, sure, Sarah. But you need to incorporate. In your diet about vitamin D supplements, and uh, you have to take a calcium rich diet, such as a milk product, or in a fruit like bananas, which gives a high rich calcium. uh, then you have to be on an iron supplement diet, as as due to the fracture there will be uh, the bone healing takes more time. So for that you need to take a balanced diet and incorporate in the calcium rich diet. For bone healing also require the vitamin C supplement, so you can use or you can eat a citrus fruits in your diet. Uh, 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 After that, for the exercises, you do as a teenager, you don't have to do the extreme exercises. We could arrange for the hospital will arrange for you, or for the physiotherapist for doing active and passive exercises. So you will be having a range of exercise done by the physiotherapist. So don't worry about your exercises. You need to follow up the doctor's order, which is advised to you.
Well, so I feel little supportive and relieved after speaking to you. As per my request, kindly arrange for my friends to visit during the visit hours. If it is possible, extend the visitors hours. So for 5 hours, if a few of my friends, I don't have many friends, at least 2 friends per day I would be inviting for another 3 days until I stay in the hospital. So kindly arrange for it. That would be a great help from your side. Thank you.
Yes, sure. I will talk with the senior, or I will have a speak with the senior doctors about your conditions. And I'm very, very concerned about that. You have to do the preparation for your exams, and you can do it. You can do it better for your exam. Uh, so
Finally, you could say, well, I get back to you soon.
okay,
Until
then I
then,
get back to you.
yeah, I get back to you soon. Until then, you could take rest. Take care. That's enough. Okay.
Okay, I will get back to you. I will get back to you. Until that,
Until then,
you
you
can
could
take
take
the
rest.
yes.
Thank you. That you could say and you could leave. That's it.
Okay.
Fine. So now